We visit Iconsiam today, the biggest shopping center in Bangkok, Thailand. Woohoo! Wow! Outstanding. Have a look around. Woo! There's a famous river in front of it. A lot of people here from around the world. Wow! Look at that. There's a fish pond over here. Oh! Wow! I definitely will shopping today with my beloved husband Richard Michael Robinson. Let's we get in there and see what happened. Woohoo! Cannot wait. Gucci, Bottega Veneta. Hello guys, Mr. Bartlett, Mr. Robinson. Let's go in there.
Let's get more like involved in this step with Willie Robinson.
Woo! Yeah. Now we entering Iconsiam. Woo! My goodness. Spectacular. The design and everything. Oh. I cannot wait. Ooh. Very luxurious. Oh my goodness.
Awesome, baby.
Wow, babe. This is stunning, babe. God. It's like a rainfall, but it is not. Look at that, babe. Ooh. Big Christmas tree. Oh, wow. Coffee beans. Excellent, my darling.
You're in the right place.
For sure.
Have a look at the menu. Rick, what's on the menu? Turn around. Here we go. Open 2 pages.
Ooh, wow.
Cake. Lots of cake.
Lots of cakes. Yummy, yummy.
Okay.
Let's grab some, Mr. Bartlett. Let's go. Whoa.
It's coffee and beans, that's why. Coffee and beans.
Coffee and bean cookies. Oh, butterfly. Cake. My God.
Yeah, where you go? Come check it out and get something to eat.
Oh, that's for sure. Hello, Mr. Robinson. What would you love to order?
What do you like? Champagne?
Uh-huh.
I'll have a blue Johnny Walker.
Cheers.
No, I want blue Johnny Walker. I want a bottle.
Oh, we are at the Iconsiam. This is how it looks like inside. Literally amazing. Wow. Certainly high class, exclusive. See? It consists of 8 floors. Isn't it, my darling?
It's great here. I love it.
Yeah. High class, darling.
For sure.
Upmarket. You see the design?
Yeah.
Wow. Spectacular. Oh. Woo! It has 8th floor, right, my darling?
Correct, baby.
All the international branded over here. We have a look around. Lots of people from around the world. Wow. Unbelievable. Definitely. Eh? What is that? It's like a reindeer for Christmas. Look at the seat, my darling.
It is, baby.
Gold? Ooh. This one. Yeah, that one. Cool, eh? Amazing. Thailand is amazing, hey?
It is.
Stunning. Look at that. Woo. Wow. So fantastic.